South Korea. Neon cities. Ancien palace. Street food that never sleeps. K-pop, K-drama, skincare, technology, and traditions blended perfectly together. South Korea looks exciting and fast-paced. You land, you explore, you eat everything in sight. But here's the truth. Without the right planning, South Korea can feel confusing, overwhelming, and stressful, especially for first-time travelers. Language barriers, cash-only places, complex transport, missing the best food because you went to the wrong area. That's why you're watching Hack Trip Easy, the channel that helps you travel smarter, save money, and avoid rookie mistakes. In this episode, I'm sharing essential travel hacks you need to know before traveling to South Korea. From transportation and payments to food, etiquette, packing tips, and hidden costs, this is everything you should know before you go. So before you book that flight or step into Seoul, let's make your South Korea trip easy. Incheon Airport is large. Travelers should carefully follow signs upon arrival. Purchase a T-Money card immediately for transport and store payments. T-Money cards offer a convenient payment method. Use T-Money on public transport for easy fares. T-Money can also be used in convenience stores. Acquire a SIM card or eSIM for reliable internet access. Wi-Fi availability may be inconsistent outside of cafes. A SIM or eSIM ensures a stable connection. This is important for navigation and communication. Stable connection is key for seamless mobile experience. Before arrival, screenshot your hotel address in Korean. Showing this to taxi drivers or locals aids navigation. This method bypasses potential language barriers. It ensures accurate directions to your destination. South Korea's subway system is known for its cleanliness and efficiency. The subway provides a quick and easy way to travel within cities. It is also an affordable transportation option for locals and tourists. Note the line colors and station numbers for easy navigation. Buses are a great transportation option but can be confusing for new riders. Naver Maps provides real-time bus tracking for efficient navigation. Use Naver Maps to plan your bus routes effectively. Real-time tracking helps avoid missed buses and reduces wait times. Taxis offer a relatively affordable transportation option in many cities. However, avoid taxi rides during rush hour to minimize traffic delays. Traffic congestion during peak times can significantly increase taxi fares. Plan taxi trips outside rush hour to save both time and money. Subway services typically end around midnight. Plan late-night activities with the last train in mind. Missing the last train requires alternative transport. Check the specific schedule for your subway line. Myeongdong is an ideal area to stay in Seoul. Hongdae is also a great accommodation location. Insadong is another recommended area for lodging. Gangnam is also a suitable place to stay. Choose based on interests: shopping, nightlife, or culture. Choose lodging near a subway exit to reduce walking. Walking distances can be longer than anticipated. Proximity enhances commuting convenience. Selecting nearby lodging saves transit time. Subway access simplifies daily travel plans. Guest houses and smaller hotels often offer great value. These can be excellent choices for budget-conscious travelers. They provide a comfortable stay without high costs. Consider them for affordable accommodation during your trip. Enjoy a pleasant stay while saving money on lodging. South Korean rooms are often smaller than those in other countries. Packing light is crucial for a comfortable stay in South Korea. Avoid overpacking to prevent clutter in limited spaces. Efficient packing enhances your overall travel experience. A lighter suitcase makes navigating and settling in easier. Street food provides a cheap, fast, and delicious culinary experience. It's an affordable way to sample local flavors and culinary traditions. Street food vendors offer a variety of quick meal options. Enjoy diverse dishes without the cost of formal restaurants. Street food enhances cultural immersion through local cuisine. To find quality local restaurants, look for busy establishments. A restaurant's popularity often indicates delicious food. Well-prepared food is another hallmark of popular restaurants. Busy local spots are often a sign of authenticity. High customer traffic can be a reliable quality indicator. Some restaurants specialize in a single dish to showcase expertise. Focusing on one dish often indicates a commitment to high quality. These establishments aim to perfect their signature offering. Specialization allows for mastery and consistency. Customers often associate single-dish focus with superior taste. Some restaurants may not easily accommodate solo diners. This is especially true during peak dining hours. Consider this when planning your meal times. Visiting during off-peak hours may improve your experience. Lunch hours are often more accommodating for solo diners. Planning ahead can ensure a smoother dining experience. South Korea predominantly uses card-based payment systems. Major credit and debit cards are widely accepted across the country. However, it's advisable to carry some cash for specific situations. Cash is useful for transactions in traditional markets. Smaller establishments may also prefer or exclusively accept cash. Having both card and cash options ensures payment flexibility. Airport ATMs offer a convenient way to withdraw cash while traveling. Using airport ATMs can be a safe and reliable option for accessing funds. Airport ATMs typically provide competitive exchange rates for foreign currency. Travelers can avoid carrying large amounts of cash by using ATMs upon arrival. Foreign cards may not always work. Carry backup payment options. Cash can be a reliable alternative. Consider using a T-Money card. T-Money cards offer versatile payment options beyond transportation. These cards can be used for small purchases at convenience stores. This functionality adds extra convenience to daily transactions. Users can easily pay for items without needing cash or other cards. This expands the utility of the T-Money card for everyday needs. It simplifies quick and easy payments at various locations. In Korean culture, greetings and expressions of gratitude involve specific etiquette. Offering a slight bow is a common and respectful gesture. This bow serves as a sign of politeness and respect towards the other person. It is typically used when greeting someone or expressing thanks. The gesture is appreciated and demonstrates cultural awareness. Mastering this simple bow enhances interactions in Korean settings. Speaking loudly on public transport is generally considered impolite. Respecting fellow passengers involves maintaining a quiet environment. This is a common courtesy observed in many cultures. In South Korea, quietness on public transport is particularly valued. Using two hands shows respect when giving or receiving. This gesture is a sign of politeness and consideration. It's especially important with elders. It's also important when interacting with superiors. The gesture conveys deference and honor. It reinforces positive relationships in social interactions. Trash cans may be infrequent in some public areas. Carrying a small bag for personal waste is advisable. Responsible waste disposal is highly valued. This practice contributes to the cleanliness of public spaces. Repacking belongings the night before travel ensures nothing is forgotten. Careful repacking minimizes the chances of leaving essential items behind. This proactive approach significantly reduces pre-departure stress. Organized repacking contributes to a smoother and more relaxed departure. It helps ensure a seamless transition from preparation to travel. Digitize essential documents like your passport for convenient access. Store digital copies securely on your smartphone or tablet. Digital backups offer a readily available alternative to physical documents. This is especially useful in situations involving loss or theft. Having digital copies can expedite replacement processes. South Korea is vibrant, welcoming, and unforgettable when you travel prepared. Learn the transport system. Eat like a local. Respect the culture. Pack smart, and don't rush the experience. South Korea isn't just about seeing places, it's about feeling the rhythm of daily life. If this tip helped you, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a Hack Trip Easy episode. Thanks for watching. Travel smart, enjoy South Korea, and I'll see you in the next adventure.